Do you want to use OneDrive to store your Jotform submissions? Well, follow me to my desktop to show you how right now. What's up everyone, this is Jotform and I'm going to show you on this video how to integrate a Jotform with OneDrive. That means that every single submission will be stored on your OneDrive, creating a folder or a file to have everything neatly organized inside of OneDrive. So let's get started with this integration. The first thing you want to do is select the form where you want to connect your OneDrive. In this case, I'm going to use this test form for testing purposes. So the first thing you need to do is obviously build your form and then go to settings. And in settings, there's a tab that says integrations over here on the menu. We're going to search for OneDrive. Here it is, and we are going to select it. Once we select it, we need to authenticate to connect Jotform with OneDrive. In this case, I'm going to use a brand new account. Here we go. I'm going to select it. Here we go. And we're going to jump into the next settings. So first thing I need to do is enter a folder name. Now this is my OneDrive and I want to create a specific folder for all the submissions that I'm going to receive from Jotform. That means that I don't want them to be all scattered inside of the main section of my OneDrive. So in this case, I'm going to keep it the same name as the form, but you can name it whatever you want. Okay. Next thing is create a subfolder for each submission. That means that when we jump into OneDrive into the main folder, which is going to be this one, I can create an independent folder for each one of the submissions. If you want to do that, go ahead and turn this on. And you can set the folder name based on the submission ID, the name. You can use all the form fields available right here to make your folder name unique. Okay, in this case, I'm going to turn it off. And then we have the send submission PDF to OneDrive. So in this case, yes, I do want to send the new documents over there. If not, you can go ahead and just turn that off. Then you can send the uploaded fields to OneDrive. That means that if you have an upload element in your form, those uploaded details will get sent over to OneDrive too, which would be a good idea. Once we're good to go, let's go ahead and save. Here we go. We are now integrated. Let's go ahead and test this out. Let's go into preview our form. Let's go ahead and fill this out with demo data. Let's go ahead and send this out. Here we go. And let's go ahead and jump over to OneDrive. Let's go ahead and refresh. And it's right here. Simple job application form. That's the main name. And we should see our first submission right now loading up. And here it is. Let's go ahead and open up this submission. And here we go. We got all the details from that test form that we've just sent out. So it's super easy and practical to connect your OneDrive with Jotform, so you can have everything stored independently on OneDrive for storage or organization reasons. But it's just super easy to integrate. So what are you waiting for? Open up a Jotform account right now, sign up, and start integrating with OneDrive. So please let me know here in the comments what you think about the integration for OneDrive with Jotform and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.